Hey everyone, I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas and enjoyed time with your families. I wanted to tell you about how I got 2 free Milwaukee tools in probably the best sale that I've personally ever seen from Home Depot on Milwaukee power tools. The first, let's call it levels, the first level to get into this free tool kind of sale is I believe it's a battery kit. Basically, I was looking into it, but everywhere was sold out, so I really wouldn't even think about that if you were watching this video right now, because everywhere, even online, everything was sold out. The second entry or level into the free tool sale is a 2-tool kit, I believe, which is basically this power drill, half-inch power drill, or hammer drill, and the impact charger, bag, that kind of stuff. The one that I ended up going with, and the second level is I think $2.99. The one I ended up going with was the 4-tool kit, which gives you 2 free power tools that you can choose from, or accessories from. I believe it's like $400 is the max that you can spend on the 2 free tools, or allowance that you get on the 2 free tools. But basically, you get 2 free power tools out of buying a 4-tool kit. So what I did is, and I'll show you what comes in the 4-tool kit, which is this half-inch hammer drill driver, and this is the 2904 model, and this thing is just awesome. I've only used it on one little project that I had, but having the hammer drill is crucial for any kind of concrete work or masonry, that kind of stuff. And the other thing that it comes with is the high output XC6 and the high output CP3. So the way I kind of like to run these, I like my impacts really accessible. I typically run these with just a Phillips bit or whatever kind of thing I'm driving with, a impact socket, that kind of stuff. So I like really compact as possible, which is why I love this setup with the high output CP3 on this impact. But I typically run bigger batteries on my drills, just because if I'm gonna be drilling, I'm typically drilling some big heavy duty stuff. So and again, I'm saying all this just from a kind of DIY perspective. I'm not in any kind of specific industry relative to construction. However, this is just my personal experience with doing a lot of set builds for my work and work around my house, work on family projects, all that kind of stuff. So I'm in no way a professional using these tools every single day for my livelihood. However, there are occasions that I do use these for my work, and I need a dependable, powerful tool, and that is why I chose this kit. So anyway, just to go down the line here, this is the 2904 half-inch hammer drill driver. And I'm just going to be looking at my notes here, so I give you the exact model numbers. And the second item in that kit is the 1/4-inch impact, which is 2953 is the model number. Then the third item that comes, or third tool that comes in that 4-tool kit, is the oscillating multi-tool, and this one is 2836. I haven't used this multi-tool yet, but it feels awesome, and I was just wanted to read this quickly for you all. But basically, it has vibration dampening technology in it. I'm not sure, if that's just a marketing thing that Milwaukee has tried to push, but based on my experience with Milwaukee tools, it's probably a real thing. But yeah, it just, the feel of this multi-tool feels like a real tool. It's not one of the most expensive power tools that Milwaukee has out, but having it included in the kit is just awesome. The fourth tool that comes with this kit is the light. I'm gonna say this is probably my least favorite. It's cool, but the light output out of it is kind of beamy. Like if you're gonna use it in a in a work environment where you need a real beam kind of light, this is gonna work, but it just feels a little cheesy. It's not nothing to really be excited about. It does have this little hook on it, so you can hook it on wherever you're working. But in a pinch, it's gonna be a light source, and could be life or death kind of, depending what situation you're in. So yeah, it's included. Not really my favorite. I kind of just got this 4-tool kit because of the other 2 free tools that I could get. So the other 2 free tools that I chose was this D-handle jigsaw. Let me look at this number. This is 2737. I've been looking at some jigsaws for a while, just kind of trying to decide if I wanted to go corded or cordless, what kind of system I wanted. But this is really this is it right here. This is amazing. M18 system, so it's solid. But got a trigger lock right here, 105 linear feet of 3/4 inch laminated particle board is what this saw can deliver on a charge with an XC5 lithium M18 battery. So for my needs, definitely more than what I need. If you're looking, for a construction work perspective, you may need to look at whether this is the right option for you, going cordless or corded. Obviously, you would know best, but some of the things I love about this is basically no tools required to make your adjustments. The other spec that I was reading about this is this has a higher blade speed than corded jigsaws at 3,500 strokes per minute, minimizing chipping or bucking for clean, controlled cuts. So that's something that I've used jigsaws for probably 15, 20 years. And that's something that I've experienced personally, is the bucking or the binding that you'll get occasionally. Also if you're running a dull blade, but that's beside the fact. So this is completely free, that I got with purchasing the other 4 tools with the light. So this is the free tool that I chose. The other free power tool that I chose is 2880, the 4.5 inch, 5 inch grinder. This has a paddle switch, which is pretty cool. I just set this up with the handle just so you guys can see, but it's ambidextrous. You can switch the handle to this other side if you want. And thread it in. Really nice handle. This handle is like, dude, you could go ride down a steep mountain with with this kind of grip on this handle. If you're riding a mountain bike, I would slap these things on there. But great handle. I like the guard. Guard is cool, quickly adjustable too, which is really nice. Obviously all the tools come with it, for switching out your discs and that kind of stuff. But yeah, quickly adjust your guard here. You can, you gotta pull the clutches off, but you can also fairly easily pull the guard completely off in cases where you need to do those kind of cuts. Definitely been there, so I know that is called for occasionally. In the kit, you also get the charger and, like I mentioned, the 2 batteries. So basically, this is about a $1,300 kit. I spent $600 for this kit, for the 4-tool kit, and from what I could see, most stores had these kits in stock. What you had to look for is what stores had the other accessories that you want. And what I would recommend, you can get this kit online. However, what I noticed is that online, it basically pre-selects the free tool that you're getting, and then you can select the second free tool that you want. So the one that I saw that Home Depot was promoting was the 4-tool kit with the with the sheet sander, and then you could select whatever other tool you wanted. So the best thing that I found was to go in the store. So the 4-tool kit SKU that you're going to want to check before you go into the store that's closest to you or that you're wanting to go to pick up this amazing sale on Milwaukee tools, power tools, is 1007901508. So typically you can just refer to the last 41508 in this kit, and they'll know. But there's a promo board at Home Depot that shows the 3 different levels of kits that you can get in order to get a free tool or 2 free tools. And all of that is broken down on there. However, on the website, it is not broken down in that way. So the best thing to do is go into the store and look ahead of time what store has the 4-tool kit SKU in stock, and then look at what kind of accessories you would want to pick up with that kit, and then make sure that those are in stock there as well, because you're going to need to purchase all of it at once. So if you want the grinder, you're going to need to make sure the grinder is in stock at the same store that you're getting the 4-tool kit. You know, if you want the jigsaw, same kind of deal. There are other options. Like I said, there's a sheet sander. There's you can get an extra battery. I think there's a charger kit as well. You can get a multi-tool. So if multi-tools are what you need 2 of them, go for it. You know, that you can get your second multi-tool for free. So yeah, go look at that sale. I will put the link to the Home Depot online sale just for reference, so you can see what 4 tools or what free tools are included in that promo. But go to the store and pick up one of these if you want to get into Milwaukee. And just real quick on the impact here, this is one of my most favorite parts of this. Is this has what they claim to help with self-tapping, which is the last mode here on this impact. And it's they claim that using this mode will help start the screw and then prevent you from overstripping it. So, or from stripping it. So, or over tightening. So like if you're using tech screws and that kind of stuff, that would be a huge benefit to your work. And the other cool thing I wanted to mention about the drill real quick is this has an auto stop feature, as well as I believe the grinder has the auto stop feature. But basically, if you're mostly, you know, if you're using the hammer drill setting, you're drilling through concrete, you hit something stiff in that concrete, it's really solid piece in that concrete or whatever you're drilling through. It has a auto stop feature so that if it rotates, if it catches the drill, it will stop the motor to prevent your arm from twisting off. So obviously it's not going to twist off, but you know, I guess depends how powerful Milwaukee is. Could be a promo. But really cool feature. If you've ever drilled into concrete or any kind of like concrete wall or brick wall, you know that there's different, especially like with brick walls, you can get some patches where you just hit some rock or something in there that just catches that thing and it just twists your arm. I've had it happen, and the next day I'm completely sore. My wrist is just destroyed. So really, really cool feature about the drill here with the auto stop feature, but amazing batteries in this kit, amazing machines in this. The light, like I mentioned, it's okay. I mean, I always like having another light. I might just get rid of it at some point or just leave it around in my attic or I don't know, something random, or in my truck. I always like doing that. But great kit here. Obviously it comes with the bag with the 4-tool kit. So And this bag is, I've put every single one of everything except the jigsaw in this bag fits perfectly with all, I've got my drill bits and accessory, little bit drivers, that kind of stuff in these, and other random stuff in here. So it's fit everything that I needed, and it's portable. The one thing that I wish they would do is make little bags for just the, like a drill and your impact. That'd be awesome. I would buy those all day. So it maybe they are already out. I just don't know. So anyway, that's all I got to say. Wish you guys a great week, and let me know if you picked one of these up and if I was of help to you. So thanks for watching.